Yes, there it is. Here we go. PTL. Oh, jeez. This thing. Oh, boy. We're in for a ride here. Look at this. I don't know what kind of buttons these are. It will go. Here we go. Coming down?
Yeah.
It will go.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like old elevators like this one.
If it ever stops and it doesn't open, just hit the open door. Someone in our office panicked one time, hit the switch.
Oh, yeah. Have a good day. We're gonna do another ride on this. Wow. I don't know what this is. It's got 2,500 pounds on it. What's that motor again? Does that have possibility? Nope, it does not. I want to see something. Nope, replaced up here too. It will go. I have no idea. Cab view. Very, very industrial looking. Look at that. It's like smaller there. Wow, that's an interesting elevator. Keep in mind the same place has a Schindler HT. So, that's it.